friends, my name is Jen. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. I do various unboxing videos, whether they are styling services or shopping hauls. Regardless, they're all clothing boxes and I'm just spending too much money on clothes, but I'm having a blast doing it. For the subscription boxes, I'm doing the well-known Stitch Fix and other types of boxes, but I'm also doing some lesser well-known clothing boxes. So if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe below. I would love to have you stick around for my future videos. So today is Nadine West. Now I've got a big bag today and that's exciting. So I've signed up to get this Nadine West every 2 to 4 weeks, but this package actually took slightly over 2 weeks just to get here. And in fact, I emailed the company a couple times saying, is it coming? And you know, it's just the shipping service was just very, very slow. In fact, they've even started styling my next bag before I've even opened this one. So hopefully the next one will get here a little bit quicker. If you are not familiar with what Nadine West is, it is a subscription styling service. You could either receive it every 4 weeks or every 2 weeks. Like I said, I am signed up for every 2 weeks. They send you anywhere from 2 to 8 items. I don't know what decides how many items they get you. Usually I've had about 4 items per box, a couple items of clothing and a couple of pieces of jewelry. And what I like about Nadine West, a few things I like about Nadine West. One, their clothing is frequently more affordable than other of the styling services. 2, I feel like all their clothing is like ridiculously soft. It's always super comfortable, super soft clothing. And then 3, I'll say they have more, and this one is more of a plus for me, but probably a minus for a lot of other people. Their colors, their patterns seem to be pretty muted. They don't send a lot of vibrant clothing, a lot of big patterns or wild patterns or anything like that. So far I frequently just get solids and stripes, but I'm kind of a solid and stripes girl, so that's right up my alley. There's no styling fee on this, although you do pay a shipping, which is $9.78, but that does get applied to anything you purchase. And I am ready to open this up. Now, you always have to keep your bag and try not to butcher it when you open it, because this will be your return bag. So this always takes me literally 20 minutes to get this stupid thing open, which I wish I could just, you know, take a knife to it and hack at it, but it is what it is. Okay, let's pull out the bundle. Okay, we always get the pricing slip, which I will look at the end, your sticker for putting on the bag to return the items you don't want to keep, and here is my bundle. Okay, I actually do have some colors this time, so that's interesting. Let's get in here. But again, stripes. I do love stripes. Okay, first off, we have a hood. Oh, okay. So it's a red and white hooded dress with a little pouch up front. Again, always very comfortable, very soft. So, okay, I like it. It's different than something I would normally wear. It's kind of like a very casual dress, but that's cute. Okay, this one is a Henley. It's orange and navy and cream stripes. It's got a fold here on the 3/4 length sleeve. I don't know that I love these colors. I like the style of shirt. It's a very cute casual shirt, but I'm not sure what I feel of these colors together. We'll see. Then we have, oh, I got lots of items this time. We have this shirt. It's V-neck, navy, and it has lace here up at the shoulders. And the back has a little bit of crisscrossing too, where the lace is. And then a nice, you know, soft fabric. I think this is going to be a little bit more of a form-fitting shirt. But again, that is very cute. I like it. Okay, I will do accessories last. Looks like I have 3 of them. And then I have a pair of shorts, navy shorts. They really like navy apparently. And came with a belt on it, a braided navy belt. The inseam is pretty small. I mean, we're only looking at inch and a half inseam. So we'll have to see if my bum hangs out of these. But they're cute. I like them. Okay, next up we have sunglasses with, has kind of a little bit of a sparkle here on the side. And here they are on. I'll tell you now, I will not be keeping these just because I already bought some Nadine West sunglasses. I don't need more than 1 pair. Well, I mean, unless I break the other pair, because I do break sunglasses like it's my job. But mine have been holding up, so I'm not going to need those. Then we have, this appears to be a necklace. A necklace with basically just some gold circles on it. It's a little twisted up, but that is the necklace. And then we have last, how many items did I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. So that's first time I think I've had more than 4 even. Alright, then we have some gold earrings, which I'm excited about because I wear the same 2 pairs of gold earrings pretty much all the time. But I just don't like spending much on jewelry. I don't know why. It just, Anyways, so here are the gold earrings. So I really like these. These most likely are going to be a keeper. So we got a lot of stuff here, and let's go ahead and try it all on. So I have my first outfit on. First off, the shorts fit great. You know, I've never had any sort of sizing issues with Nadine West. I maybe had 1 shirt that was a little bit big, but overall almost everything fits me amazingly, which I love. So the shorts, they fit really well. They're cute. I'm really happy with these. So these are going to be a keeper for sure. The shirt, I love the style of it. This is very Jen. I love a 3/4 casual shirt. I like Henley. I like a V-neck. I like all of it. I think the orange is just not my favorite. So I'm just not going to keep it, though it's super comfortable. Again, the style of it is cute. I'm just kind of like the orange with navy. So the jewelry, I love the earrings. Give you a closer look. And here is the necklace. It's twisted right now, and I'm not gonna end up keeping this, so I didn't bother to untangle it. That's somebody else's problem. Okay, next, let's try on the dress. Next up, we have the dress. Super comfortable. I mean, again, Nadine West always knocks it out of the park when it comes to comfortable clothes. I like the red and white stripes, but this is a problem. It's just, that's too tight. So, it figures that as soon as I'm like, no sizing issues, then I would try on a dress and be too tight. So, and then besides that, I just don't know where I would wear a casual dress like this. Most of the dresses I wear are either to work or church, and I just don't know where I would wear this, but I like it. I mean, I like it a lot. Just since it didn't fit great and I don't know where I'd wear it, I will be sending this back. Okay, last item is that blue top. Okay, last item is this blue top. I like it. I have no complaints about it. Here's the back of it. It's cute. My only hesitation is I just bought from Stitch Fix a lace tank that's the exact same color, and I just don't know that I need this enough or that I love this enough to keep it. It's cute. So I don't know, well, it'll probably depend on what the price is, which leads me to, let's go over the prices. So we have the Claire top, that's this one here in Coral and Navy, and it is by DNA Couture, and this is $26.99. I will not be keeping this item just because I didn't love the color combination, but I loved everything else about it. We have this is called the Eclipse top, and is by Ambience, and is $22.49. And since I'm kind of about it, I don't think I'll be keeping it either. Then we have the shorts, which are by Active USA. These are the coastal shorts, and they are $21.99. These are a definite yes. Very excited about these. Then we have the dress. This is the Amelia dress, and it is by Heart and Hips, or just Heart Hips, I don't know. But it is the Amelia dress, $35.99. Will not be keeping just because it was too snug, and I don't know where to wear this. So then we have the earrings. These are the Hypnotizer earrings, and they are $9.99, and these are definite keepers. I'm excited to have another gold pair of earrings to cycle through. Then we have the metal pebble necklace, and it is $23.99. I got it tangled. I never really tried to untangle it, but it was just so I will not be keeping these. And then we have the sunglasses. These are the Sparkle sunglasses, and they are $13.99. Decent price for sunglasses. Will not be keeping just because I already have a pair. I don't need them. So my keepers, again, are the shorts, which I love these, and the earrings that I think are super cute. So again, I'm very happy with my Nadine West bag. I've yet to be disappointed, and I can't wait to get my next one. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see future unboxing videos, don't forget to subscribe below and hit the bell notification so you are notified every time I post. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you next time. Okay, thanks, bye.